To today's class, let's dive into sets. We'll be solving this problem. The question says, in a town of 50 people, that is the whole people in the entire town is they are what? They are 50. So in set, that 50 simply represents the universe. Universe. That is our U equals to 50. Then we're told that 30 people own a house. That is out of those 50, 30 of them own a house. So the number of, let's represent house to be what? H, which is equals to what? 30. We also told that 15 own a farm. Out of them, 15 also own what? A farm. That is, let me represent farm to be F equals to what? 15. Okay. We are told that 5 own a house and a farm. 5, they own a house. Those 5, they also own a farm. That is, let me represent it like this. People that own a house and also own a farm, they are what? They are 5. Another way I can also write it is I can also write it as H, that is house intersect farm. It's still the same thing as this. So the next one is that find the number of people who neither own a house nor a farm. That is people who does not own a house, and that same people they don't own a farm. So let's represent them to be what? To be X. So first thing to do is to draw our Venn diagram. To draw a Venn diagram. From a Venn diagram, we have our union. Let's draw the Venn diagram to be this. We have everything inside this Venn diagram are inside the universe. That is our union. Union is equals to what? Union equals to 50. Okay. Now we're told that the number of people that have a house, they are what? They are 30. Now let me draw it like this. Let's represent this one to be house, and let's represent this one to be what? To be farm. Now you may be wondering that in most cases you used to see that they draw the line, they used to intersect each other. But the reason why we let those circles to intersect each other is that we're told, if you look at this point, this middle here is for both farm and also for what? House. Because if you trace this house circle, is part of it, and if you trace this farm circle, it's also part of it. So this space represents people that own a farm and they also own a house. And we're given that people that own a farm and a house is what? A farm and a house is what? Is 5. So here will be 5. Okay. Now we're told that people that own a farm, they are what? They are 30. But if you look at it clearly, if you trace this house, this is it, right? They are 30. But if you look at it, you see that out of this part, out of this house, have been cutting. At least we have represented it to be 5. So you need to remove 5 from that 30. It's no longer complete 30 again. You remove 5. That is, this will be 30 minus what? Minus 5. And 30 minus 5 give us what? 25. So people that own house only now, they are what? They are 35. Now we're also told that people that own a farm, they are 15. Yes, if you trace a farm like this for complete farm alone, they are 15. But if you look at this side as be cutting out of it, you can see. So that is, it's no longer complete. So if you want to trace farm alone, you trace it like this part, no longer like this again. So if you remove this 5 from the entire farm, from the entire people that own a farm, we have it to be 15 minus what? Minus 5. And so that will be what? That is equals to 10. Okay. So now we're also told that there are some number of people that does not own a farm, they do not own a house as well. So I represented them as X. Then I will put it here. Why? Because if I put it here, it is still under house. And we're told that these people, they don't have a house, any house at all. And if I put it here, it's still under farm. So, and we're told that they don't have farm. If I put it here, it's both for house and a farm. So they don't have any of them. So I put it outside there. But everything inside there, if you add them together, they are still equal to the what? To the universe, because they are all within the universe. Okay. So let's find the value of X. Let's add everything together. Let's add everything together. So for farm, as you have said, that this for farm is now what? 25, not 30, because we have this part will be cutting out of it to be 5. So it's 25 plus, now plus this part that if you trace this part for house, is this now, is this, so which is 25 now, plus this part which is 5, plus, now you now want to trace, you have traced this part out. Now this part now is now the left one, this one for farm, this one. So that is equals to what? 10 plus the number of people that does not own a farm and does not own a house, because they are also among those people in the town. Normal, if you look at the town, not everybody have a house and not everybody have a farm. So we represented them to be X. We now say that everything here, they are all equal to what? To the universe. To the universe, which is equals to 15. Okay, so let's add this and this together. This give us 30. 30 plus 10 give us 40. So 40 plus x equals to what? 50. Now, if I make x subject to the formula, 40 will cross to the other side. This becomes x equals to 50 minus 40. So x equals to, if I subtract 40 from 50, give me what? 10. You can see 10 people, they don't own a house, and those 10 people too, they don't have any farm at all. So the correct answer is 10. Stay tuned for more tutorial video. Please consider to subscribe, like, comment, turn on the notification button so that anytime we upload video, you can get notified. Thank you.